For gun flange automatic welding system. Technical documents. The equipment is a special equipment designed according to the characteristics of your company's products. The equipment is suitable for the welding of pipe flange ring seams. The main structure of the equipment is the structure of the operating machine. Trolley. The translation mechanism of the welding torch is driven by an AC motor and can also be lifted up and down with a wide adjustment range. It is equipped with a separate control box and operation box to realize simultaneous welding with power supply, beautiful welding shape, and high production efficiency. It is an ideal equipment for professional welding of pipe flange ring seams. Welding process requirements. For gun flanges are welded at both ends at the same time. 3. Main technical parameters. 1. Horizontal telescopic range of the manipulator, 0-1,500 mm. 2. Lifting and lowering range of manipulator, 0-1,500 mm. 3. Micro adjustment range of welding torch, 0-100 mm. 4. Up and down micro adjustment range of welding torch, 0-100 mm. 5. Welding speed, 20-0-800 mm min. 6. Pipe flange welding diameter, 14010 mm. 7. Pipe flange maximum welding length, 120 mm. 8. Suitable for maximum workpiece weight, 10 t. 9. Torch adjustment angle, 45. 10. Track type P20 for track. User laid. 4. The main features of the equipment. 1. BCZJ 1.5 electric walking precision welding column boom. The main components of the equipment are column, cross arm, lifting mechanism, walking trolley, lifting guide bracket, rail, locking device, and so on. Its features. 1. Both the column and the beam adopt the overall box structure, which has high mechanical strength, good stability, and compact structure. A liner is added to the periphery of the base under the column to fully ensure the deflection of the column when it is raised to the maximum effective stroke, and the cross arm to the maximum effective stroke, and to ensure rigidity. 2. The manufacturing process adopts the method of cold forming first, and then welding the web and guide rail, which reduces the weld seam, improves the strength and appearance of the entire column, reduces the welding heat affected zone, and reduces the